making faces while applying makeup? I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. It's like our face wants to help us out, but today I'm going to show you how to achieve a beautiful natural look without caking your face in excess foundation. It's all about using the right tools and techniques. Just a little goes a long way when you've got the right products like these brushes and makeup from my beauty brand, Bariats. Let's dive into the process. We start with the Bariats primer, creating that perfect base, followed by foundation. The foundation is obviously not a Bariats product, but here's a tip. Wetting your brush with rose water before applying foundation helps blend it seamlessly. Less is truly more when you're using the right tools, and I'm using the Bariats foundation brush, and trust me, it makes all the difference. Next up is powder, essential for that smooth matte finish. The Bariats powder gives you all of that. I highlight my brows with Bariats powder, yes, and our precision brush comes to play. And even we use in my makeup videos, I will be showing you basically all that I do. I use powders to highlight my under eye, my brows, and just the area with another perfect Bariats brush. That's all I do. I will only share what really works for me, and that's exactly what I do in this video. I have a brow tutorial that you can follow. I'll link that up in this video. Now let's talk about eyeshadow. I've mastered the art of using pigments without any holding products. What do I mean? Just the right brush and the pressing in technique is what works for me all the time. The Bariats face angle brush also helps in placing everything in place. It is my go-to for all over eye shading. I'll show you what I mean. This is the Bariats face angle brush. So I started those eyes with a rich red pigment, which also, as you will see in this video, doubles as a blush. What do I mean? Watch me transfer that to my cheeks. That's exactly what I mean. Now, after making sure that the shade is sitting perfectly like I want it, I follow this with my black eyeshadow, and immediately I follow that with my brown eyeshadow, and all of this is coming from the Bariats nude eyeshadow palette. What are we looking for? We're looking for that perfect blend. It's all about creating depth without emphasis, without overpowering the look. Look at how beautiful this looks. Now, let's move on. So we're moving on to the lips. And guess what? I particularly love a good ombre effect. And today I'm using Bariats lip stain. And this liner technique I learned from my mom. Classic and timeless. So the Bariats lip stain is what I'm using right now, and it is called Fumi. I clean up any excesses using the Bariats brush and the fluff brush. Yeah, Did you get that? So basically, how I apply my lips is also to do like a highlight, to do a contour. In case you're wondering, all of that happens in the lip? Yes, it does. Now you have seen that. I also have a makeup tutorial on how to apply your lip stain, lipstick, lip gloss, all of this in one video. I'll also be linking that up in this video. A lot of linking up going on here, I must say. Anyways, after you do your highlights and your contouring of your lips, what next do you want to do? For me, you can either wear your lip as matte, or I finish this beautiful lip with a touch of lip gloss. Why do I do this? It's basically to bring everything together. And this is also a product. The lip gloss is a product from Bariats Cosmetics. Yes, Bariats left, right, and center. I am feeling so proud of myself. I'm sure you're proud of me also. Anyways, at this point, I use the black pigment from the Bariats palette to line my eyes, and then I outline my brows with the Bariats brow gel. Now, make sure to clean up any excesses or any spillage. I like to bend my spoolie for effectiveness. Hey, what's going on here? It's raining Bariats. It's a Bariat kind of day. Finally, I highlight my face using another pigment and the Bariats highlighter brush, which perfectly sets everything in place. A swipe of mascara and voila, the look is complete. In conclusion, life as a 40-year-old single Christian woman in Nigeria has taught me a lot of patience, faith, and trust in God's timing. I want to remind every single person out there, whether you're in your 40s or not, that it is okay to take life easy. Trust that God's plan is always perfect, and while you're at it, have fun with life, with makeup, and with every blessing that comes your way. So, here we are, glowing, beautiful, and reminded that a little goes a long way, whether it's in life or in makeup, especially with barrier tools in your hands. God bless you. I hope this video was very useful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.